I'm going to tell you a story. The story is about me and my tryst with justice. Since childhood, I was fascinated with the idea of justice. And there was one thing I knew for sure, that I'm going to become a lawyer when I grow up. I saw so many inequalities in the society around me, and I thought that by being a lawyer, I'll be able to make a positive change in my society. I grew up visiting Gandhi Ashram. I come from the city of Gandhi. And I draw a lot of courage from his struggle and the fact that he stood for justice, equality, and truth. He was a lawyer too, and I was ready to start my journey as a lawyer. I was so excited when I joined the High Court, but you know, when I saw the realities around me, I was disappointed. I saw that the legal system was not helping our people. I saw that people did not know what their rights were or how the system worked. At the current rate, the existing backlog is going to take 350 years to solve, and we need drastic reforms in our system. On an average, it takes 20 to 25 years to solve a case, and we need to bring more technology or do something completely different to make sure that people have access to justice and that people understand what their rights are. I've wondered who will bring about a change. I've wondered where will the buck stop, and that's when Gandhi came to the rescue. As Gandhi said, you have to be the change you wish to see. And I realized that it was up to me to make a difference if I wanted to see a changed society. I started an organization working on legal reforms. I've been doing it since last 5 years. And now I think that by bringing law, design, and technology together, we can have massive innovations in the space of law and justice delivery. I'm creating a platform called Law for Me, which is going to visualize law, which is going to make interesting and innovative flowcharts to make laws simple, accessible, and fun to understand for people. Imagine having a web platform where people can just log in to understand what simple issues that they face and what are the legal remedies that they can resort to. Imagine having a mobile platform. Just by a click of a button, you can access your rights and you can understand how you are supposed to proceed with the system. I come from a country where there are telecom subscribers up to 933 million. India is one of the third largest smartphone base in the country, and it is so ironic that in our country people have access to mobile technology but not access to justice. How can we bridge this gap and make laws simple? I envision a society where laws are made for people and people love interacting with laws. Now I stand before you. I need your support in making this happen. I need graphic support and I need technology support to bring 1/6 of the population of the world out of injustice and inequality. Thank you so much.